My name is Nimra Haroon. I'm a senior at the Jack J. Valenti School of Communications at the University of Houston, and I'm majoring in advertising. I'm pursuing minors in energy and sustainability, Spanish, and nonprofit management. Communications is vital to any sector, and communications is the pinnacle factor of how we meet with people, how people interact with us, how people relate to us, and how people understand us. And so we need the community to understand what we're doing in the energy sector. And so we need to be able to communicate our ideas and thoughts fluidly. I think the public sector has a lot of misconceptions about the energy industry and what we're doing and what people's efforts bring to the table. And when you can educate a community on what's actually happening in an industry and in a sector, it's just a win-win for both sides. I am an advocate for a mixture of energies, and I say that because every city and every geographic location is going to have its most sustainable solution and appropriate mix, and for some cities that's solar, and for some cities solar is just not going to work, and we don't need to try to force a square cap onto a circular bottom. I think if wind is a solution for a city, then that's that. And if natural gas is a solution for a city, that's that. But as long as our efforts are bringing something sustainable to the table, and as long as we're using our efforts efficiently to solving energy problems across the world, I don't think there's just one answer. In fact, there shouldn't be one answer. You're in the perfect context to learn and then apply all of your knowledge and all of your experience, because being in the energy capital of the world, our speakers, our lecturers, our professors, our mentors, they're coming from the same industry in which we want to work. And so Houston really gives us that advantage that, we're not removed from the sector, we're living in it, we're learning in it, and we have to jump right into it from school. So it's really an extraordinary experience, I think, compared to other schools and to other cities. I had the opportunity to travel a lot my first couple of years here, and so being able to be in an academic context and learn everything, and then go study abroad and go see my sister study abroad and go visit her, and then go on a research trip and take the knowledge, take the classroom knowledge and apply it to this foreign context, for me, were definitely the moments that have stuck with me and I've remembered. I think I see myself hopefully one day in the future doing something similar to like global energy investment, and going abroad and looking at the energy infrastructure of different countries, specifically underdeveloped countries, and looking at what can be done, because I think we have a responsibility, being in the energy capital of the world, to make a more sustainable planet for other people.